I welcome you guys to the Make It Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I will talk about logical operators within Python programming language. Let's get into the demo. Let's say I have few statements like this: applicant has good income and good credit score is eligible for loan. So if you say over here, we use this operator called AND. This will be called as logical operator. So where we can use this is like in situation where we have like multiple condition, like I said here, right? If the applicant has good income and good credit score is eligible for loan. So we use this AND operator to combine two conditions. And by the way, this is not specific to Python programming language. Any programming language will follow the same. So I want to convert this statement into program. What I can do is like I just remove this. Let's define two variables, like as good income equal to, I set it to true, and as good credit score, good credit score, or I can have as credit score, set it to true. Now what I can do is like if both as true, if as good income, and I'm using a logical operator, and as good credit score, and just make use of some print statement, eligible for loan, eligible for loan, else print not eligible. And that's it. This statement. Okay, if I am trying to execute this program, what it will do is like the Python interpreter will evaluate this statement, like it is checking for as good income variable set to true and as credit score is set to true. If both the conditions are set to true, it will execute this value, like print eligible for loan. Otherwise, it will execute not eligible. Let's execute this program. We'll see. And it's throwing error. And it's syntax error. Okay, yeah. Syntax error. See, it's set it to eligible for loan. Suppose if any of this condition is set to false, means it will not evaluate this statement and it's going to the else block. Let's see that one. I'm setting to false. Let's see when I try to execute the program. See, it is saying like not eligible. So this is the use of AND operator. So there is another operator, logical operator called OR operator. When we can use this, like we want to use it in a situation where we want to do some certain things, like at least one of the conditions set to true. See, if any one of these condition is set to true, I need to execute this statement. For that, I can make use of OR condition. That's it. See, now what it will do is like it will check for any one of the variables set to true. If it is set to true, it will get execute this line. Let's see. And see, it shows like eligible for loan now. So these are the two operators we have in the Python programming language. One is and one is OR. So AND means both the conditions should be set to true, or at least one condition should be set to true. And we have one more operator which is called NOT operator. What it will do is like it will basically inverse a boolean value. So whatever the value we are given to that NOT operator, it will return the inverse of the boolean value. Suppose if you are giving the passing the value of true, means it will convert to false. Let's see. What I will do is like I will change the program to as history, as something like as history is set to false. Okay, and here instead of OR, I'm setting to NOT, and what I'm doing is and not as history. So if he has to as a good income and as history set to false. So now what we'll do is like if the value is passed to false, means the NOT operator, what will do is like it will inverse the value, so it will set to true. So both the true means he is eligible for loan. Like for to make it more convinced, as crime history. Okay, as crime history, I'm setting this variable to crime history. Now he has to have the good income and he should not have the crime history. Then only he is to be eligible for loan. So let's try to run this program. See here, if I set it to false, But here this not operator, what it will do is like it will inverse the variable, inverse the any value, whatever we are passing the boolean value. If we sending to false means it will set to true. So if both the conditions are set to true, this statement will get executed. So these are the operators we have in our Python programming language. One is and one is or, and one more is not operator. So if you guys have any doubts on implementing this and or not operator, logical operator, just add me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. That's it, friend. Thank you all.